and I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today to sit there and see what we all have cooking. Grab a hold of that vine, swing on to my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Well, today I have to sit there and mix up some of my own Sriracha powder, and I figured I'd bring you all along because maybe you're interested in making your very own Sriracha powder as well. So be sure to grab a hold of that vine, swing right onto my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. I know you want to sit there and know how to make your very own Sriracha powder, and I'm out and I need some because I'm doing another snack and it needs Sriracha powder. So I'm going to sit there and bring you all along, and I'm going to sit there and show you how we get her done here. Now first, you're going to sit there and you don't need a big bowl. Just go ahead and get one of these like little small croquettes. But anyways, with that being said, we're going to need one of the turbinado cane sugar, 1 tablespoon. You're going to need 2 tablespoons salt. We have 1 teaspoon of the citric acid and 1/2 of a teaspoon of the garlic powder. And the very last thing you need are these chili peppers. You break them in half like this, and now you're just going to want to tip them out and dump as much of the seeds as you can out. And then I'm going to run them through my coffee grinder. Here are the peppers that we removed all the seeds. Here are the pile of seeds that I removed. Now, don't worry, we'll find something to do with them seeds. But anyways, off to the coffee grinder with the red pepper chilies. Alright, here's the peppers all ground up. Now, I'm just going to sit there and dump all these ingredients right into here. And I'm going to sit there, take this right back over to my coffee grinder, and we're going to grind that all up. And there is our Sriracha powder. And I have a millennial in the background, sounding like a typical millennial. Now, I'm going to sit there and put it in one of my little ball canning jars right here that we have. I'll make up another label. I think I'm just going to spoon it in. And I'll see you when we're all done. And that's how easy it is to make your Sriracha powder. We got a little testosterone. What do you want to call it? Testosterone battle royale.
Eat 3/4 of a pound of potatoes.
And there you go. That's how easy it is to make your very own Sriracha powder. So, if you have some red chili peppers sitting around and they need to get used up, and you need to make, or not need to make, you need to have some of the Sriracha powder for some recipes. Right here's the easy way of saving yourself some great money and making it yourself. Now, I'm going to sit there and show you how one way you could sit there and use up some of the sriracha powder. Here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings. Y'all come back now. You hear?